Experience the most beautiful train ride in the world, the Ella Odyssey. Welcome to Sri Lanka, a land of breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable journeys. At Ceylara Travels, we make this dream adventure a reality. Step aboard the Ella Odyssey, where every turn reveals a postcard-perfect view. From cascading waterfalls to emerald tea gardens, this journey is pure magic. Relax in comfort as you glide through the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country. Capture stunning photos, savor local flavors, and immerse yourself in nature's beauty. Marvel at iconic landmarks like the Nine Arches Bridge, a true engineering wonder nestled in lush greenery. Ready to experience the Ella Odyssey? Let Ceylara Travels plan your perfect Sri Lankan adventure. Book now and make your journey unforgettable.